and trying to find the time to exercise, it can be tough to make it a habit. But when you're looking to build up healthy habits, regular physical activity is key. So how do you make working out a habit? Here are a few tips from 7th Ave Wellness to help you make exercise a regular part of your routine. 1. Start small. Starting with a small goal such as daily or twice-a-week workouts can help to gradually build a habit of regular exercise. 2. Set achievable goals. Break your goals down into manageable chunks and focus on achieving each step of your training, rather than on the bigger goal. 3. Find an activity you enjoy. Find an activity that motivates you, maybe something like basketball, running, dancing, or any other type of exercise to make it more enjoyable. 4. Track your progress. Holding yourself accountable is an important part of following through, so try tracking your progress either in a notebook, on your phone, or with a fitness app. 5. Set up reminders. Set reminders for yourself, on your phone, on your laptop, wherever it makes sense for you, to keep yourself on track. 6. Schedule it. Block out specific times for exercise in your day-to-day calendar to make sure it becomes a priority. 7. Be accountable to someone. It can help to find someone to exercise with, whether that's a friend, family member, or a fitness group. This will help keep you accountable and make it easier to stick to your plans. Start incorporating these tips from 7th Ave Wellness in your day-to-day routine, and before you know it, you'll be seeing the results and enjoying a consistent, enjoyable workout habit. With these tricks, it won't matter if those New Year's resolutions have faded, you'll be well on your way to a healthier and fitter lifestyle.